Hey everyone, and welcome to Nicktoons Battle for Volcano Island Cutscenes Part 1. And my name is Joshua Kunikapudi. I'm the creator of Joshua David, or Josh Sonic 1992, and we're in my commentary. I already said the title, so here we go. Now, basically, this video is actually made. It was actually made as part of a video game called Nicktoons Battle for Volcano Island. The commentary was actually made. No, the game was made in 2006, which was a sequel to Nicktoons Unite. You already know about that game, but you didn't know about this game. And basically, this game is actually, it's actually the most favorite of all Nicktoons fans. So, it explains why, and you already know about it, so here we go. No, and it has 2 other sequels, which were all sequels. And here it is, cutscene. Now, now, here we go. If you notice the 2 other cutscenes, they're actually from fan-made cutscenes plush version of Battle for Volcano Island. I actually used this game, like those videos, as part of the inspirational source. The Volcano Island cutscenes from the game are actually from a cutscene video that has not only the CGI cutscenes, but also the game cutscenes. And this is this is the end of the part, so enjoy everyone, but let me continue part